हेलो दोस्तों, आज हम लेने वाले हैं 120 वर्ड पर मिनट इंग्लिश डिक्टेशन। बी रेडी फॉर इट। 10 सेकेंड, 5 सेकेंड, स्टार्ट। Paragraph. The study and practice of shorthand has been perused in our country almost wholly for its job opportunities. It is true that a good shorthand writer, even if he is only with average basic education, has better chances to a good career for himself than many people with higher academic qualifications, administrators, and business executives who have to handle heavy correspondence without delay, depend on secretaries for the prompt execution of their work. Enormous work can be turned out by them if only they have the services of an efficient secretary. The latter can take down the instructions of the executive, type letters, and keep them ready for signature. In an office where speed and promptness are required, a good secretary is a must, provided, of course, the administrator is alert, capable, and has a sufficient command of the language and knows how to use the secretary to good purpose. Paragraph. So far as the secretary is concerned, his close contact with the executives brings him advantages and opportunities not enjoyed by the other staff in the office. In addition to his technical skill, a secretary should have good proposal qualities and like pleasant manner, reliability, sense of duty, patience, etc. There have been instances of secretaries who began humbly and who rose speedily to become secretaries in government departments or managers in big commercial concerns. All these considerations draw some of our young men and women who applied themselves to shorthand and typewriting and seek to qualify themselves as efficient secretaries and stake their chances on good luck attending their efforts. Paragraph. In English speaking countries, however, quite a number learn shorthand and typewriting while they are quite young as a habit without much thought on the career value of the learning. It is more by way of acquiring an accomplishment for its own sake. One may become a good shorthand writer. Such people find occasions in later life to use these skills which they have acquired to good use. Shorthand can be used in every activity of life to record the spoken words. A good shorthand writer often finds it worthwhile to carry a notebook and a pen in his pocket. Paragraph. Dear Sir, referring to the call which our Mr. Kishore recently made upon you with regard to the matter of improvements in your three printing machines, we have now much pleasure in enclosing a print of our latest model, which we have recently put in the market with remarkable success. It includes all the ideas and suggestions which our Mr. Kishore has drawn out to you from time to time. We strongly recommend it and claim that there is no other machine of the kind to approach it at the present time. Paragraph. We supplied one of those machines a few months ago to a large firm in Delhi and we wrote to them asking their opinion of it. We have received the following reply from them this morning.